Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Libras. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Libras, for your daily energies and for your love energies. And I will be picking a few cards for your angels, for your fairy message at last, guys. 10 of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Five of Swords, guys. With these cards, I feel you have that emotional contentment in any situation, guys. Today, this may be regarding your work or in your relationship. You are happy how things are progressing in your life, and you are emotionally satisfied and happy how things are unfolding. This person may come towards you, they may come with a strong commitment towards you, and that may be what to say, you may want to step up in this relationship. That may cause some changes in your relationship, guys, and that may be the reason you are feeling what to say, some kind of change in your relationship. You may feel you are losing something because of that, so you are not accepting the new change that is coming in, guys. You are not yet ready for that kind of change coming in. So let us see with the other set of cards to get a better clarity of your situation. What is the reason? Letter, so maybe you are unwilling because this person wants a strong commitment with you. This is a very positive set of cards here, guys. They may come in to propose to you, they want to be there with you, get married to you. Some new information or announcement is coming your way, or this person may come with a invitation, or they may be sending a greeting card. If you are in a long distance relationship, it may be a gift or a greeting from this person, something proposing their love for you, guys. So some important message you're receiving, guys, today, and you feel really happy with this connection. You are a little bit, but you are a little bit worried because of the change happening in your relationship, maybe because of that commitment. Your person may want commitment, but you do not want to commit so fast. You want to take time to decide, or your person wants to take time and decide, and you want commitment because you feel this relationship has that affinity, harmony, and that intimacy and compatibility and affection, guys. So you want time, one of you all, so something of that sort, guys. Maybe for some of you all, your person is coming to gift you and propose to you, or they may want to get engaged to you or get married to you. They are coming towards you, guys. So that is the strong what to say, energy here. They are definitely coming towards you, but you are quite stressed because of the new change that is happening in your life, because of this proposal or this engagement. you may want to adopt them in your life. So that may be the reason for your stress, guys. So let us see what the fairies are guiding us to do today. Let us see what the fairies are guiding us to do today. I'll be picking one card, guys, from this deck. Violet Duchess. So Libras, with these cards, I feel you have to speak the truth, guys, instead of acting polite and pretending to be serene, not giving the true, not revealing the truth about your emotions and feelings. It is just going to bottle you up, make you feel emotionally stuffed. So it will cause more pain and aches, guys. So it is time for you to just let the other person know how you feel about a particular situation. Open yourself to your person. So when you do that, when you stand up for yourself, it will just inspire the other person also to come out with the truth, guys. So that is the fairies message, fairies guidance message for you all, Libras. That is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.